Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Kate Talbot.
And we are
Vocal
Lab
Lab
Collective. I thought you were British for a second. You're like, I'm Katie. I'm Katie Talbot.
I know, I had a little tickle in my throat for a second, but I covered it. What is so funny about a tickle?
Another tickle.
What is so funny about a tickle?
There's nothing funny about the tickle. It was just
Katie
like,
Talbot.
You're like, I'm Katie.
I know.
Katie.
Sometimes I really wish I talked like that.
Yeah. Oh, that was good.
Thank you.
Yeah. We're not going to the UK today with our
not.
video. Before we go to this video, hit that subscribe button. Follow us here on the YouTubes. Also, follow us on Patreon. We do a lot more fun stuff there. You get more in depth, more crazy antics.
Listen, we go a little bit more into detail of every single thing.
Everything.
Videos and our lives.
Our lives, tips, all of it, right?
I mean, Macy's over here. We get to show you the cat, the studio cat.
So join and see what happens there.
Yes, but in the meantime,
let's get this video going. We are doing another Coke Studio because we love it. I say we are. Oh, here we go. Whoa, it's so fast, I can't even read it. Oh, that was cool. What?
So good.
Oh, she's cool. I always love the percussiveness of Coke Studio.
Yes,
Always, right?
Agreed.
It's a vibe.
It really is.
That was cool.
Sailor Man.
Heave ho.
One breath.
Yeah.
One breath.
Yeah.
અરે કિનારા તો સ્થિર ને સલામત હોય પણ માણસ એના માટે નથી સર્જાણો અરે ખારવો ખલાસી તો ઈ કહેવાય કે જે ફણીધર નાગ જેવા દરિયાની
A hooded snake. I don't like that.
ઉતરવું પડે
That's a python or a
કિનારે
cobra.
ખાલી પડે નાની નાની પગલીને નાના એવા સપનાની રેત વાળી
There he goes.
Oh, this is a cool.
જેની હિંમત અને આમ નહીં આપે એવો ખારવો ખલાસી એવો હાડનો
Yeah. It's sick.
ગોતીલો ગોતીલો ગોતીલો
They're so locked in.
So locked in.
પોતાના જ દરિયામાં પોતાની જ ડૂબકીથી જાતનું અમૂલ મોતીલો
જે મજામાં ખાલી વાવટા ગજામાં એવો હાડીનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો
Oh my gosh. How
So
fun is this?
fun.
estilo.
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh.
That was fantastic.
They were so locked in, like literally.
Yes. The energy. I made the comment in there. I love how percussive Coke Studio songs are. It's just
They never disappoint.
at all.
Ever.
Those ladies singing.
It sounded like one person.
Yes, yet multiple dimensions. It
Yeah,
was
yeah.
absolutely
Yeah.
phenomenal.
Honestly, those two, the two male together,
Yeah.
those voices together were
Yeah.
so great. The dynamic of
Sure.
the different sounds that they have.
Yeah.
And that is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
And then, but having that female part in there as well, I feel like we hear so much. It's either female dominant or it's male dominant.
Yeah,
or
yeah.
there's like a little bit here and there, but having
This
it through
was
the
very
whole
playful
song,
back and forth.
back and forth.
It was back and
so
forth.
much fun.
Yeah, that's a really great
so
point.
much fun.
Yeah, really great point. I love how he talked that one part. I love
Yeah.
when singers break it down to a speaking in a song.
Yeah.
And then he kind of went into this little like rap moment. It just very dimensional.
Yeah.
And I think I've said this many times. I'm going to say it again. I really do find it frustrating that in Western music, specifically as we know in America, we do not have more collaborations with Indian artists from our major artists.
Yeah.
Right? One of my favorite songs of all time, Sting, Desert Rose.
Yep.
And
Same.
why? It's so freaking good.
I know.
It's so engaging and entertaining and interesting.
You and I could
Like,
go. We could go.
we go
off
on and on
the
and
trail for why the
Yes.
Western culture does not.
Of course.
Like, it drives me crazy because it's
Me too.
so
Me
so
too.
good. There's so much we can learn from it.
Yeah. All of our friends out there from other parts of the world, specifically in this instance, those of you who love Coke Studio, we wish there was more of this with,
Yes.
all of the great artists
We
from
need
America.
it. Like,
we
we're
need it.
hungry for
Yeah,
it.
totally.
We're hungry for
Totally.
it.
And
This was
it's
an
just great.
incredible suggestion, you guys.
Yeah. Until next time, we're going to leave you here. I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Kate.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.